We guide you through how to send an email draft directly from Google Docs so you can streamline your workflow. First thing you need to do is open your Google Docs document containing the content you want to send. Once open, go to File in the top menu, then select Email and click Email this file. A small window will appear where you can enter the recipient's email address, subject line, and a message if needed. You can also choose a format of attachment, PDF, Word, or the Google Docs format, depending on how you want the recipient to receive it. After filing, in the details, click Send, and Google Docs will send the document directly to the recipient's email without leaving the app. This feature is perfect for sharing drafts, reports, or assignments quickly, keeping everything professional and saving time by avoiding switching between Docs and Gmail.